Toyota RAV4 2026 update. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 introduces a bold shift by fully embracing electrification. All versions now come with either a full hybrid or plug-in hybrid setup, replacing conventional gas engines. This change improves efficiency and performance across the lineup. The base hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, producing 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive versions use an extra rear motor for a total of 236 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid model pushes output to 320 horsepower and can travel up to 50 miles solely on electric power. Quick charging 10–80% takes about 30 minutes on select trims such as the XSE and Woodland. Towing ranges from 1,750 pounds to 3,500 pounds depending on configuration. The GR Sport model enhances agility with performance tires and sport-tuned suspension. Inside, the cabin offers a rugged yet functional design with faux suede seating, red stitching, and a compact gear selector. A 10.5 touchscreen is standard, with a 12.9 option on upper trims, alongside wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available 9-speaker audio system. Music. 2. Toyota Highlander 2026 redesign. The 2026 Highlander brings a full refresh featuring sleeker styling, improved technology, and possibly a hybrid-only lineup. If traditional gas engines are dropped, the starting price may climb to about $49,000. The standard hybrid uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with dual electric motors, totaling 243 horsepower and offering 35 mpg. A more powerful hybrid max system could also be introduced, delivering 362 horsepower via a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine and electric motors. A plug-in hybrid is also rumored, increasing electric-only driving potential. While overall size stays consistent, Toyota may optimize interior layout. The third row remains better suited for children, but second row comfort and cargo capacity are strong. Expect upgraded infotainment, larger screens, and luxury features. Launch is expected mid-2025, with sales beginning soon after. Music. 3. Toyota Corolla Cross 2026 edition. Blending Corolla hybrid efficiency with SUV utility, the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid adds more power and style. Its 2.0-liter engine and 3 electric motors combine for 196 horsepower, offering better responsiveness and 0 to 60 mph acceleration in just 7.3 seconds. The design is refreshed with a new grille, bumper, and optional 18-inch wheels. A new two-tone cavalry blue option is available. Inside, a redesigned console features a 10.5 touchscreen, with a 12.3 digital display offered on select trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, phone charging, and a premium sound system enhance the experience. While 2026 fuel ratings aren't official, expect similar figures to the current model, up to 45 mpg in the city. The Corolla Cross Hybrid provides 22 cubic feet of cargo space and starts around $30,000. The SE trim offers good value with features like blind spot monitoring and paddle shifters, while the XS SE adds a touch of luxury. Music. 4. Toyota Camry 2026 Hybrid only. Toyota's best-selling midsize sedan moves exclusively to hybrid power for 2026. Buyers can choose between front-wheel 225 horsepower and all-wheel drive 232 horsepower setups, both using a CVT transmission. Pricing begins around $30,000 and tops out near $38,000. The SE remains a solid choice with sporty suspension and optional AWD. The new nightshade trim features black accents and unique 19-inch wheels. A new dark Cosmos paint option is also available. The AWD XS SE model hits 0 to 60 mph in 6.8 seconds, delivering solid performance. Fuel economy is expected to remain at 53 mpg city for FWD. The interior is roomy and well-appointed, with standard dual-zone climate control and upgraded materials on upper trims. Music. 5. Toyota Baby Land Cruiser FJ 2026. Debut. Originally expected in 2024, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is now slated for release in 2026. Starting at roughly $35,000 in North America, it offers an affordable entry into Toyota's rugged SUV lineup. Built on a ladder frame, it shares its platform with the Helix Champ. Standard off-road features include high ground clearance, 4WD, and a limited slip differential. With a boxy look and compact footprint, 177 long, 72 inches wide, 73 inches tall, it's a mix of retro and modern design. Likely engines include a 2.7-liter gas unit with 161 horsepower, with potential for hybrid or fully electric options down the line. Music. 6. Toyota Helix 2026 Overhaul. The 2026 Helix returns with tougher styling and more comfort. Its core frame remains, but both ends are redesigned for a more aggressive look. It gets new cladding, slim headlights, and a rugged rear bumper. Interior upgrades include better materials, improved layout, and smarter tech. A smoother ride is ensured through revised suspension and steering. Power options remain similar, mainly a 2.8-liter diesel with mild hybrid support. A fully electric version is coming in late 2025 from Thailand. Some markets may refer to it as the Helix Travo. Music. 7. Toyota Corolla 2026 Compact Staple. For 2026, Toyota updates the Corolla sedan and hatchback, adding a limited-run FX hatchback inspired by the 1987 FX16. Only 1,600 units will be made. Prices start at $25,000. Gas models use a 2.0-liter engine with 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, delivering 30 to 41 mpg. Hybrids pair a 1.8-liter engine with an electric motor for 138 horsepower and up to 50 mpg city. AWD is optional. An 8-inch touchscreen is standard, with wireless phone compatibility, optional digital gauge cluster, and advanced driver assistance via Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Music. 8. Toyota GR Supra 2026 Sports Coupe. Built for performance, the 2026 GR Supra features a 382 horsepower turbocharged inline-6 and RWD. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic. A new final edition model debuts with Brembo brakes, adaptive suspension, carbon fiber accents, and matte black 19 inches wheels. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds manual. While it shares interior components with the BMW Z4, it stands out with focused driving dynamics and a sharp exterior. Music. 9. Toyota Crown 2025 model. Blending sedan luxury with SUV height, the 2025 Crown offers a unique profile. Standard hybrid powertrains deliver 236 horsepower and up to 42 mpg. A 340 horsepower turbocharged hybrid is available in the Platinum trim. Interiors are refined with premium materials, large 12.3 displays, and features like a heated steering wheel and wireless charging. The Nightshade Edition adds blacked-out styling. Prices range from $42,000 to $56,000. Music. 10. Toyota Century SUV 2025 Flagship Luxury. The Century SUV is Toyota's top-tier luxury model. Built with a plug-in hybrid 3.5-liter V6 and AWD, it delivers smooth power estimated over 400 horsepower. Its cabin emphasizes quiet, comfort, and exclusivity, seating 4 with reclining rear seats. Aimed at the high-end segment, the Century SUV debuts in Japan but draws international attention for its blend of heritage, innovation, and craftsmanship. Music. 11. Toyota Fortuner 2025 Utility and Comfort. The Fortuner continues as a rugged SUV based on the Helix. The Crusade trim is the top variant, offering a blend of durability and comfort. It features a 2.8-liter turbo diesel with 150 kilowatts and 500 Nm of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic. Inside, soft touch materials, a functional dashboard, and a touchscreen offer solid practicality. It includes full-time 4WD and tows up to 3,100 kg. Music. 12. Toyota Helix GR Sport 2026 Performance Ute. The GR Sport variant of the Helix receives off-road upgrades like wider fenders, stronger suspension, and underbody protection. Powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel, it may soon receive a hybrid system for better output. Interior improvements include sportier seats and upgraded tech like a 12.3 touchscreen and trail cameras. While not yet at Raptor levels, it's designed for off-road enthusiasts who value reliability. Music. 13. Toyota Grand Highlander 2025 3-row SUV. The Grand Highlander stretches the original to offer a truly adult-friendly third row. Priced from $44,000, it features a 2.4-liter turbo engine making 265 horsepower. It rides smoothly, seats up to 8, and includes desirable features like wireless charging, USB ports, and rear sunshades. Fuel economy reaches up to 28 mpg highway and towing capacity hits 5,000 pounds. Music. 14. Toyota Land Cruiser 2025 return to form. Back with heritage styling and modern tech, the 2025 Land Cruiser features a hybrid setup producing 326 horsepower. Standard full-time 4WD, locking diffs, and crawl control make it off-road capable. The refined cabin seats 5 and offers trims from the 1958 base model to premium editions with larger screens and premium audio. With a $58,150 starting price, it blends classic capability with new tech. Music. 15. Toyota CHR 2026 Electric Revival. After a break, the 2026 CHR returns as an all-electric subcompact SUV. Dual motors offer AWD and 338 horsepower, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. A 74.7 kWh battery gives up to 290 miles of range and supports Tesla-compatible fast charging. Inside, a 14 inches touchscreen, dual wireless chargers, and ambient lighting enhance the modern cabin. Priced around $35,000, it blends style, power, and practicality in a compact EV package.